Here is the Edifier speaker, the Edifier R1280DBs, and today I will unbox it and review it. Let's change the side. I bought the speaker in brown color and it's also available in black color with 1 year warranty and the Bluetooth. Let's open it, and first let's remove this, and boom, here are our speakers. And here we have the remote control. I will take a look on it later on. Other things are on other side. Let's change the side. And we have the cables here. Next, few paperwork. And the OPT cable. And now let's take out our first speaker. And I have doubt it's the main speaker. Let's put box on side and unbox the first speaker. Packaging is good, not bad. And here is the power cable, so I was right, it's the main speaker. Let's remove this. And finally here we have the beautiful wooden style speaker. And honestly, I'm impressed with this stylish look. We can also remove its cover, and here how it looks like when we remove the cover. Beautiful. And on right side we have the controls for volume and bass. And there is power light. And on back side we have the power switch, OPT, line 1 and 2. And these ports are for connecting our second speaker, which I will show you how. And the left side is totally clean, and top and bottom also. And here is the power cable, so it's the main speaker. And here is our passive speaker. Let's take it out. It's also in wooden style. Left and right sides are totally clean. On back we have few ports for connecting it with the main speaker. Top and bottom also clean. And now let's see what we got in the cables. This one is our first cable, and this cable for connecting both main and the passive speakers. And then our second cable, pretty cool. And now I will show you how to connect the passive speaker or second speaker with the main one. Here you have one black and one red port or switch, and connecting cable also has one red and other is white. Just put red one in red button or switch like this, and white one in black switch, and that's it. Now do the same thing with the main speaker, red one in red and white one in black. Done. That's how you can connect these speakers. And here is our fiber optical cable, which is used to transmit both audio and video at the same time, which will be used here. And here is remote control. To use it, you just need to remove this first, and now remote is ready. So this was the unboxing of my Edifier speakers, and here is test of these speakers. I got 111 decibel max, and honestly this is really loud reading. And here the quality. So this was the unboxing of Edifier R1280DBs. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.